Hi, I'm Marna, and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I think this is Happy Mail. I didn't recognize the name on it, but I did want to point out, if somebody sends you Happy Mail, whether this is Happy Mail or not, it's a hug in a box, and it is a great big hug in a box. Not only did they send you something, a lot of times they make it. Getting stuff ready for the post office takes more than 10 minutes. If they go to the post office, it's even more. And then they pay the post office. It's a big deal, Happy Mail. No matter what you get, be thankful. Someone even thought of you. Let's see. Like I said, it might not be Happy Mail, but I wasn't expecting. Look at all these shoes. Oh, God, look at these. Wow. Cottontail doll designs. How cute. These will fit my welly wishers. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, these are fantastic for welly wishers. Let's see what this says. I did not buy these. 2, 4, 6, 8 pairs of shoes. I'm trying to get this open. Marna, I am beginning to downsize some of my dolls. Oh, I have gotten rid of all but one of my welly wisher size dolls, and she will be gone once she comes out of deep storage. Anyway, I am sending you these shoes. How nice is this? Should fit welly wisher dolls. I figure you can give them as prizes or send them along with fabric with the collaborations that you do with everyone. If you want to keep them for yourself, that's fine as well. Additionally, you will find different size shoe. I'd order a pair for a 17-inch singing princess. I bet that's these. Oh my God, those are cute. I love these. Okay, let me finish reading. I've ordered a pair of shoes for 17-inch singing dolls, and well, that is what was shipped. I have no idea what doll they will fit. I do. I bet that fits. I wonder if that would fit my 17-inch Barbie. Ooh, I love my 17-inch Dreamtopias. Hope you get to feeling better. Donna, I cannot thank you enough. And I have to tell you something. When the Happy Meal came, and I was looking at the address because I thought I didn't order anything. I noticed your street name. When Darren and I first hooked up, that is the street name we lived on. Thank you so much. I'm always looking for shoes. I was just looking for some jellies for, these won't fit, but for my Courtney doll. So when I saw these, my eyes lit up. Oh, thank you so much. This is so kind and so fun. People, Happy Meal is a big deal, and they call it Happy Meal because it makes people so happy. Thank you, Donna. First of all, I love these shoes. They're so cute. Look at this buckle. Talk about genius. Look at this. This just slides up, if I can get it, right up in here to complete the buckle look. Like, is that cool or what? And easy. You don't have to do that buckle each and every time. Let's see if I can find who these will fit. Let's try Cinderella Barbie. Oh no, that's too big. Too big. You're not getting the prince. I bet I know who it fits. And I can tell you right now, it's not Ellen, but stand up, sweetheart. That was it. You don't get to go with the prince. That's it. Ellen. Yeah, that's too big for Ellen. I can tell you're not going with the prince either. Same with Jean. However, this is a Pocahontas doll made at the same time and the same basic mold, the body anyway, of supersized Barbie, whom I love. And I bet, let's try this other shoe, sweetheart. These are hard to find shoes for. Oh, it's too big for her, but you know what? It's not awful. Let's see, one more doll, and then I'll have to go upstairs and start looking. When I say upstairs, I mean to my doll nook. I made these with a glue gun and some glitter. Okay, baby, you sit down. Oops, I'm sorry. You sit down. You're not going with the prince. You're not Cinderella either. Oh, sit right, hon. Okay, let's try one more big-footed. Ah, her shoes just fell off. Yep, that's going to be, oh, I don't know. Here, let's do this one. Put your foot in, sweetheart. A little too big.
And not enough heel.
Not enough heel, yeah. They have a really high arch. So I'm going to have to go upstairs. But, Donna, I cannot thank you enough. I am so tickled. If you do not watch Donna's channel, you want to. You're missing out. Donna's, what is it? Donna's Creative Adventure. She makes the most beautiful quilts. She does fabric reviews. She makes doll clothes. She has the 28-inch Barbies, or a 28-inch Amaya Rain that she makes her own patterns for, makes them the cutest outfits. She does all kinds of things. Go by her channel and take a look, and I bet you're going to subscribe. Please subscribe here, leave a like, leave a comment, and join us live on Thursday nights at 6 p.m. Central.